cloud computing security issues and how to overcome the issues. The security issues that affect cloud computing are reduced visibility and control of consumers on their data and operations. Unauthorized usage of cloud services leads to infections. Software vulnerabilities, attack by other customers, data loss or data leakage, data deletion is incomplete, vendor lock-in, insecure APIs, data privacy issues and multi-tenancy, failure in providing services due to disaster, failure in providing security, availability and reliability issues, increased complexity, insider attacks and incompatibility issues. To overcome the security issues, the following best practices are to be done. The right cloud service provider should be chosen. The cloud service provider should be well established and experienced. The service level agreement should be very clear and followed correctly. Regular vulnerability scans and security audits should be performed and the vulnerabilities should be rectified. Data stored in the cloud should be encrypted. Data backup should be done regularly in order to retrieve data when a disaster occurs. A multi-layered security approach including firewalls, data encryption, identity management, vulnerability management, threat analysis, etc. will help the cloud service provider to withstand an attack. Cloud vendors should provide good recovery facilities. The cloud vendor should possess infrastructure to detect and prevent cyber attacks. Consumer activity must be monitored across all environment and instances in order to know what is happening in the cloud. Implementing tough identity management and authentication process to ensure only authorized user can gain access to the cloud resources. The cloud service provider must provide training to its employees in order to prevent employees from falling victims to the scams and compromising the sensitive data. When the employee leaves the company, the cloud service provider must ensure that he can no longer access the system, data, cloud storage, customer information and other resources. Security solution is not enough. Integrate more security solutions and implement them in order to increase cloud security. Thank you.